Greetings viewers, welcome back to my channel. I still remain the digital priest Akaju Ugo. Today I will briefly explain about spiritual spouse. When you hear the word spiritual wife or husband, it simply means a man or a woman that an individual has been married to or is married to before the person journey to this physical realm, before the person embark on a journey to this physical realm. Everybody has a spiritual spouse, and we have 4 realms of origin: the water realm, the fire realm, the earth realm, and the air realm. Today I will be talking about spiritual spouse from the marine kingdom, which is the water energy. Di mmili or nwunye mmili, which we Igbos call a spiritual spouse that is from the water. Di mmili or nwunye mmili, spiritual husband or spiritual wife, are not actually evil. They are the spirits you are married to in the realm of the spirit, the realm of the water, which you incarnate from before embarking on a journey to this earth realm. Every human has a spiritual spouse. Now, when you journey to this earth, before you journey to this earth, you and your spiritual spouse has an agreement. You might have an agreement that when you come to this earth, when you come of age or become 15 years or 20 years, that you will come and pay homage to him or her in the river of incarnation and give him or her the gifts which you are supposed to present to them in the water. But when you fail to keep to this promise, that is when the spiritual husband or wife, you start disturbing, starts causing you one setback, starts causing you problem until you make peace with that spiritual husband or wife. You can't separate yourself from these people. When you are not at peace with your spiritual spouse, with your spiritual husband or wife, he or she will start causing you setbacks. They will come to your dream, make love to you with a familiar face, and after making love to you, you start experiencing bad luck, setbacks. Because making love in a dream is very, very bad. But when you make peace with your spiritual spouse, they will stop causing you that setbacks. He or she will love you, take care of you, protect you, provide for you spiritually. Now let's take for example, a person that has made peace with his or her spiritual spouse goes to the water of incarnation. After saying a prayer, he takes the water and go to his business place, sprinkle it around his shop. He or she will start making sales to show you how powerful the marine energies are. Any dibia, priest or pastor that is trying to tell you, is trying to convince you to separate yourself from your marine husband or marine wife, doesn't like you. The person will only end up putting you into trouble, because when they see and feel that you are trying to separate yourself from them, it will provoke them. It will provoke them and they will cause you more problem. If you are facing financial issue during that period, it will become worse. So the best solution is for you to make peace with them, settle with them, give them their items, make peace with them, and you will see how your life will change from negative to positivity. Good things will begin to come your way. If you are doing business, you will start making sales. If you are an engineer, you start having contracts. Everyone that has marine spiritual spouse or any other spiritual spouse from any other spirit realm should try and make peace with their spiritual spouse, because it's very, very important, and it has caused a lot of people problem. Spiritual spouse can cause childlessness, can cause late marriage, it can cause death, it can cause illness, financial issue, a lot of negative things. A lot of people facing financial issue today, childlessness, late marriage, are caused by, some of them are caused by spiritual spouse. That is the reason I make this video, to make people know that spiritual spouse are not evil. you won't blame them. They're only causing you these pains for you to do the needful. It's a sign they are trying to give you for you to do the needful. That's the way they are trying. When they are doing that by causing you these pains or setback, they are trying to communicate with you for you to do the needful. And when you do the needful, they will stop tormenting you. Instead, they will start helping you. They will help you achieve your mission here on earth. So, di mmiri or nwunye mmiri or di mmụọ and nwunye mmụọ are not evil. I will stop here for now. I think I will talk about other spiritual spouse and more about spiritual spouse in the next video.